the most influential scientists in history who made remarkable contributions to the world. Albert Einstein, 1879 to 1955. Einstein is best known for his theory of relativity, especially the equation E equals mc squared, which describes the relationship between energy and mass. This theory revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and energy. Einstein's work laid the groundwork for modern physics, influencing everything from quantum mechanics to cosmology. His theories are essential for the operation of GPS and other technologies. Despite being one of the greatest scientists in history, Einstein struggled in school, particularly with rote learning, which caused many to believe he would not succeed. Isaac Newton, 1643 to 1727. Newton is renowned for formulating the laws of motion and universal gravitation. His work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, laid the foundation for classical mechanics. Newton's laws of motion are still taught in physics classes worldwide and remain fundamental to understanding the physical world. He also made significant contributions to optics and mathematics, including the development of calculus. Newton was deeply interested in alchemy and biblical chronology, spending much of his later life attempting to turn base metals into gold and interpreting ancient texts. Marie Curie, 1867 to 1934. Marie Curie is famous for her pioneering research on radioactivity, a term she coined. She discovered two elements, polonium and radium, and her work led to the development of X-ray machines. Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and remains the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields, physics and chemistry. Her work opened new avenues in medical treatment and energy generation. Curie's notebooks, along with her personal belongings, are still radioactive and are stored in lead-lined boxes. Scientists wishing to study them must wear protective clothing. Charles Darwin, 1809 to 1882. Darwin is most famous for his theory of evolution by natural selection, as detailed in his book On the Origin of Species. His ideas transformed our understanding of biology and the interconnectedness of life. Darwin's theory of evolution is the foundation of modern biology, influencing everything from genetics to ecology. His work also sparked discussions on science and religion that continue to this day. Darwin delayed publishing his theory for over 20 years due to fear of backlash from the religious community and society. His eventual publication sparked both admiration and controversy. Nikola Tesla, 1856 to 1943. Tesla was a visionary inventor known for his work on alternating current, AC, electricity, which powers homes and businesses today. He also contributed to the development of the radio, remote control, and even early concepts for wireless communication. Tesla's ideas laid the groundwork for much of the modern electrical power system. He was ahead of his time, envisioning technologies like the internet and wireless energy transmission long before they became reality. Despite his groundbreaking work, Tesla died in relative obscurity and poverty. He was known for his eccentricities, including a phobia of germs and an obsession with the number 3. Galileo Galilei, 1564 to 1642. Galileo is often referred to as the father of modern observational astronomy and the father of modern physics. He improved the telescope, made significant astronomical observations, and supported the heliocentric model of the solar system. Galileo's support for Copernicanism led to conflict with the Catholic Church, and he was tried by the Inquisition and placed under house arrest. His work laid the foundation for modern scientific inquiry. Galileo's improvements to the telescope allowed him to discover the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, which are now known as the Galilean moons. Stephen Hawking, 1942 to 2018. Hawking was a theoretical physicist known for his work on black holes and the nature of the universe. His book A Brief History of Time became a bestseller, making complex scientific concepts accessible to the general public. Hawking's work on black hole radiation, now known as Hawking radiation, has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. He was also a tireless advocate for science communication. Despite being diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, at the age of 21 and given only a few years to live, Hawking continued his research and writing for more than 5 decades, using a speech-generating device to communicate. Louis Pasteur, 1822–1895. Pasteur was a French biologist renowned for his discoveries in the prevention of diseases. He developed the process of pasteurization to kill harmful bacteria in food and drinks and created vaccines for rabies and anthrax. Pasteur's work laid the foundation for the germ theory of disease, which is crucial to modern medicine. His vaccines have saved countless lives, and pasteurization is a standard process in food safety. Pasteur was not initially a top student and faced multiple setbacks early in his career, but his persistence and dedication led him to become one of the most celebrated scientists in history. These scientists not only revolutionized their respective fields but also profoundly impacted the way we understand the world and live our daily lives. Their legacies continue to inspire future generations of scientists and innovators.